Hi Loyalties, welcome back to the channel. Happy Tuesday to you guys. So today's DIY is going to be for our Christmas entertainment series. So these items that I'm sharing with you right here will be linked in the description box. These are the things that you will need to complete this DIY if you are thinking of recreating it. Now these make wonderful entertainment pieces for entertaining through the holidays, whether it's Thanksgiving or Christmas or New Year's. What we're going to create are monogram wine glasses, okay? And we're going to be using these totally dazzled bling charms. These snowflakes here, you guys, are super cute. They're lightweight and they are perfect for adorning any type of DIY that you're going to be doing for Christmas, okay? So I'm going to leave a link to where you can purchase those from Totally Dazzled down in the description box. Now, the first thing you're going to do is get you some type of stencil, because this is going to be a monogram wine glass. So you can use one that you print out from your computer or that you purchase. I'm using one with vinyl that I use from my vinyl cutter. Then we're going to take that etching cream and we're going to place it on the stencil. And be mindful that you do need to be wearing gloves with this etching cream. You do not want this etching cream to come in contact with your skin at all. Now, I don't have my gloves on, but I'm really used to using this, so it's okay. But you guys make sure that you have your gloves on. And do be mindful that wherever you place this etching cream on that glass, it will immediately start etching. So be careful. You don't want to get it on any parts of the glass except for where the stencil is, okay? Now I hope I am clear enough with that. So once you have it all on your stencil, you want to leave it on there for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we're going to rinse it off under the sink with some cool water, okay? Also remember to wear your gloves. So I'm going to use my sprayer and I'm just going to rinse it off, and then we're going to well, I'm using my brush right here, you guys, because it's kind of a thick cream, and sometimes it's still on there. So I kind of brush it off a little bit with my brush, and then I pat it dry with a paper towel, and then I'm going to peel off the stencil and reveal the etching. Okay, so I did put a little hat in there just for a background so that you can see the etching. It is sometimes difficult to see when there's nothing in the glass. So this is going to be the option of number one of what you can do to get your bottom different. We're going to use some looking glass and spray the bottom of that glass. I've protected with the paper bag because I didn't want any of the spray to get on any parts of the glass except for where I wanted it, which was on the bottom of the glass. And you get that mirror effect because this is the looking glass spray that you can get from Micheals. So that's option number one. Option number two would be to add some glitter. So I'm going to use this dishwasher safe Mod Podge and these extra fine silver glitter from Recollections. And I am going to just sprinkle the top of the wine glass after I've put some of the Mod Podge down. I'll coat the Mod Podge down first, sprinkle the glitter, and then do a top coat of Mod Podge to seal the glitter. That's look number two for the bottom of your wine glass. And of course, look number three is to forgo everything. You don't have to put any type of looking glass or glitter on it to get this look here, which is look number three. Now we're going to add our pieces from Totally Dazzled, our little blinged out snowflakes, which is super cute, y'all. These things are cute. Y'all need to get y'all some. Remember to check the link in the description box. And we're going to use our permanent glue and our hot glue, and we're just going to adorn our wine glass wherever you want to put them. This is where my placement is going to be. However, you could place your snowflakes on your wine glass anywhere you want to put them. So I'm going to put one down here, and I'm going to put one right up here beside my monogram. And I'm going to let that dry, and then I'm going to share with you guys how it looks sitting on a tray. So as simple as that. It's a great way to entertain, a great conversation piece for your guests, and they make great gifts for the holidays, you guys. So this is also another great gift option. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know which option do you like better. Option number one, option number two, or no bottom at all. And as always, I hope that I have inspired you to be creative today. So thank you for watching. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining. I hope you enjoyed your stay. And if you did, then please go ahead and click that subscribe button and join us here at Hannah Watkins TV. We would love for you to be a part of our wonderful family here. Thank everyone for taking time out to comment, to share this video. And I hope you guys have a blessed day. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.